If you've been trying to make money online for a while, you're probably confused. Not because you didn't try, but because everything online makes it look easy. Everywhere you look, someone is making money. Dropshipping, YouTube, AI, freelancing. And you're thinking, what am I doing wrong? Here's the truth. Making money online is real, but most of what you see online today is either outdated, exaggerated, or designed to sell you something. A year ago, some of these methods worked way better than they do now. Platforms were less crowded. People trusted more easily. Today, things changed. Algorithms are smarter. Audiences are tired. And copy-paste methods don't last. What actually works now isn't flashy. It's not exciting. It's skill. People making real money online today are doing very simple things. Consistently. They edit videos for creators. They write scripts. They manage communities. They automate boring tasks for businesses. Not for $5, for real money. And no, AI didn't replace them. AI just helps them work faster. If your plan is to let AI do everything for you, you're already too late. Another thing that works right now is combining content with service. You don't need millions of views. You don't need to go viral. A small audience that trusts you is worth more than a big audience that doesn't care. Some people teach what they know. Some coach. Some consult. Some sell simple digital products. No hype, no screenshots, just value. And let's be honest for a second. The stuff that gets promoted the most, $300 a day, no skills required, copy this system. That's not where the money is. If it sounds too easy, someone else is making money from you believing it. The people actually winning online today are patient. They picked one thing, and they stayed longer than it felt comfortable. If you feel behind, you're not. You were just shown a fake timeline.